Alright, so here's a little Tikes Coupe car I found at Goodwill for like $2. It needs some work. I'm gonna try to fix it up for my niece for her first birthday. As you can see, the gas cap needs some upgrades. I did find a replacement for that. And then the horn is out of commission. I found a new one on eBay. I don't think there was a horn in the background. That was cool. I don't think the replacement horn is gonna honk, but it's gonna at least look better. It is an official Little Tikes one. Who knows what it's worth. I don't know if it's gonna be better to buy a new one, but I figured I'd try to redo this one. I've got some paint. I'm just gonna try to fix it up for her. Okay, so I got a little paint on the wheels, but and I need to chip away some of that hubcap remnants there, and just take the wheels a little bit. But I know who her dad is. It's my brother, so I'm sure they will wear off this paint quickly. There's also an imperfection here in the door. I've tried repainting it. It's just gonna keep rubbing off, but that's okay. She's gonna chip it, hopefully get some good use out of it. It's the thought that counts, right? Okay, now I need to add the steering wheel and the gas cap, and I think we're about done. Okay, so here's the steering wheel. I have replaced the horn cover. I've left the horn, the plastic underneath. It is broken, so it doesn't make a squeak, but that might be for the best. Her parents might appreciate the fact that this doesn't have a horn, and it would probably be worn out anyway, but it looks way better than it did before. I'm happy with it. Let's see if it pops right in. I showed it has this like Y-clip in it. I think that's what it's called. It's like Y-clip. It should pop right in. Alright, so the steering wheel's in. It clips in. That presses down. I don't think it connects to the wheels. I will have to check on that. If I remember right, I don't think the wheel connected to the steering wheel connected to the wheels, but that's in place. Let's better look at it. I think it looks good. The last piece to this Cozy Coupe car puzzle is the gas cap replacement. This is the old one that I popped out. If you remember from earlier, it's pretty worn, doesn't have the cover. I found this little guy, supposedly brand new on eBay. So, and it's little Tikes too. So hopefully that just pops right in there. All right, one sec. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, wonderful. I'm like way too excited about that. That's pretty cool. I just bought that on a whim and thought, hey, it might not work. There's the old one. We can trash that. Look at that. Alright, I think it's done. I might seal it again. I might put a little bit of red paint right there and see how that does. Check the wheels, all that good stuff. But, yeah. I'm super happy with it. Hopefully she loves it. If not, I know my brother will. And I know I am glad that this project is done. It was fun. It wasn't too tough. And I think it looks good.